welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share a Happy Meal package that I'm sending out soon to a sweet friend. I started making some of these items around, I guess, March or April, and so it's a spring-inspired theme. So let's take a look at the first item I created. So I made a traveler's notebook and I added quite a few charms to the spine, and I layered a rosette and this spired thing, I don't know what you call it, and I stamped and colored this gorgeous girl image. I made a layered panel effect for the front cover. So for this book, I lightly decorated some of the pages, and I wanted my friend to be able to decorate and fill it the way she wants. Here's a couple stitch hearts that I added. There's nice flips and a lot of pattern paper in here. If you want to make something similar to this, I do have a tutorial on my channel. So I created this organizer thing for the items that I made, and I used a Joann's Park Lane collection. I'm a little sad that they closed down. I created a scene of a bunny pulling a wagon filled with glittery carrots, and I also layered a couple of images like a ladybug and these flowers. So I created a matchbook notebook, and I used dies from Cottage Cuts to create these bunnies. So I made a little journal. So all the pockets are filled with these vintage recipe cards, so my friend can journal, add pictures, anything that she likes. And this last one, I altered a notebook and I decorated it with these layered ladybugs and flowers. So this measures 4 by 6, and I also added glitter to the edges. So I thought this was a cute way to package the items that I'm sending out. I hope this inspires you, and I'll see you in the next video.